Okay guys, good morning. So we just woke up and then we're taking a little walk around here at Kibanog Bridge. Yes. So
Good morning.
over there you see okay, Kibanog to no. Okay, so it was very cold. It was raining last night and it was very cold. Cold as in cold. Okay, sabi ka tugnaw. Okay. Came all the way from that stairs up here, and from here you can see the view. So this is your view up here, far from everyone else. So here's the camping site. Okay, you can put up a tent here. Okay, good morning. Now we're going to have our breakfast. Somewhere. Okay, in the book.
What are you cooking for lunch?
We will be cooking tenola.
Tinola.
Tenola na isda.
Tenola. Here we go now. Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi to our fans. O, diba, fans?
So hi guys, it's already lunch and we are having our lunch by the pool. So what are we having for lunch?
We have pinirito isda and tinulang barilis. Oh, barilis.
Alright, sarap.
And
So,
happy eating.
Happy eating guys.
Bahay namin.
Hi guys, so it's already dinner time, so we will be having our dinner by the river. There's the river and here's our dinner. So our dinner for tonight is sinugpa, isda, and some self-cooking meal. So we're going to try this. Alright, so happy eating guys.